All right, let's go ahead and start with our semester one final exam notes. We're going to start with Unit 1, which is going to be geography. I already put the answer for this one because it should be fairly easy. Let's start with number one. Number one is Russia. It is important you understand that most people live in the west side of Russia along the Ural Mountain. Number two is going to be Ukraine. Of course, we know Ukraine as the disaster in Chernobyl, Ukraine. Number three, Italy looks like a boot in the southern Europe. Number four, Germany is heart of Europe, connected to multiple European city. Very, very great for trading. Number five, France. Of course, Mbappe, but it is right there. Number six, north of France, United Kingdom. Number seven will be your Spain. And number eight being Portugal. All right, let's go ahead and do physical. Physical, very easy as well. Number one, Rhine River, north to south of Germany. Number two, Danube River, second largest river in Europe. It flows west to east, east to west, all across. So it makes Germany very powerful for trading because they can just ship and ride boat through Danube River. Number three. Number three will be European plain across Germany and all over Europe, all across Europe. And of course, it's fertile, great for farmland, and it is arable. European plain located in Germany, across Germany. Four, south of United Kingdom, that will be English Channel. Five will be the border, natural border of France and Spain. That'll be Pyrenees Mountain. And we go to number six. That will be the mountain north of Italy. That will be the natural trade barrier, physical trade barrier of Italy. That will be Alps, beautiful mountain range. Would definitely visit one more. Seven, Mediterranean Sea, south of Italy. Again, great food, great diversity, and really, really, really amazing culture. Number eight is what we call Iberian Peninsula, Portugal, and Spain together. Peninsula is covered by sea and one covered by land. If you guys can see right here, this is connected by land. And then this, of course, is connected by sea. So three side connected water, and then one side connected with land. All right, let's go ahead and move to our next, which will be our location, climate, and natural resources. This video will talk about European geography itself. And so, location, climate, natural resources is definitely a big part when it comes to geography. Russia, of course, most people live in the European part of Russia because it is warmer. It is a better farmland. It has a lot of resources. It is hard to get them because rough terrain and cold climate. If you guys can see this map right here, it is cold all over Asian side of Russia. But this Ural Mountain is a little bit warmer so that people can trade whatever mineral they can get from Ural Mountain and sell it over here. And of course, to transport to the east side is a little tricky for Russia. When it comes to environmental issue, Europe has three main environmental issues. United Kingdom having air pollution. Air pollution right here. The cause for air pollution is car and factory. They cause air pollution because of toxic gas released in air. When it comes to Germany, they have acid rain. The cause is the same exact thing. Car and factory. But before we talk about that, let's talk about the effect of air pollution. The effect of air pollution, like I said, guys, visualize this. Air pollution. If you drink bad air, what do you think will happen? It's toxic. You might get asthma, pneumonia, you'll get lung cancer. bad for your health. What about Germany? Acid rain. If acid rain falls in a statue, it will become rusty. If it goes in like forest, it will destroy the natural habitat of animal. It will destroy the forest. Now, solution for both air pollution and acid rain is simple: reducing gas producing car and making factory more greener. So they will have more of a electric factory, more energy efficient factory in Europe. Now, when it comes to Ukraine, we're talking about nuclear radiation from Chernobyl explosion, how it killed thousands of people, affected thousands of life around Ukraine. You see this right here. That was part of the nuclear explosion. And of course, that place is still a no go zone. People cannot live near there. And the neighboring countries suffered as well. Now, with each of this review, we're going to go over some crucial test questions. So I want you to, right now, read this. Let's read it together. Let's analyze this. And let's talk about what the answer is. Let's talk about which country has rich, fertile farmland due to its location on the European plain. European plain, as we talked about earlier, is across Germany to these green and white, this land right here. That is the European plain. So, of course, if you paid attention in this review, as soon as you saw European lane, which country, European plain, you will know is Germany. Now, there's going to be some people that will be tricked because they don't know. Please, please, please. This is why it's important to review. Rich, fertile farmland. Wow, terrible, terrible pen word. But rich, fertile farmland equals to European plain and also keyword arable. Okay, yeah, this is just the mouse. Okay, I'm not writing anymore. But arable land. You guys should know that. Let's move to next. The answer is C, Germany. That's what I meant to do. Answer is G, Germany. All right, now next, which best explain why the population density of United Kingdom is much higher than population density of Russia? So it's asking why is population density. First of all, population density mean why do some people live a lot? Like a lot of people live in one place, higher than population of Russia. So we need to look at why Russia maybe has harsher climate or maybe United Kingdom has better land, but we need to look at the chart. We can see that most people in Russia live right here, west side. We can see people in UK, they live here, here, but people live all over UK. We can definitely see that. So let's see. It's that Russia has a larger population because it has larger land area. That would be false because although it has larger area, there's nobody living here, so that is X. Cross it. Russia harsh climate makes much Russia's territory uninhabited. I would agree, so I would just keep this, but let's go ahead and read both other. Russia has more valuable resources that are easily available. We know that's not true because if it's easily available, it will be all across Russia and it will be easy to trade. We know this is not true. Russia's mild climate, we can stop right there. Russia does not have a mild climate, making this not true. The answer will be B. This type of question, it threw you off with a lot of these hard words. It says, hey, which best explain why the population density of United Kingdom is much higher? But it literally had nothing to do with comparing United Kingdom nor Russia. It was more about what is true by looking at this chart. We know Russia harsh climate makes Russia territory uninhabited. You can see people only live here. They don't live right here. So make sure you read through. These type of trick question will mess you guys up. Next, I picked another trick question. I think this is going to be very important. It talks about climate map of Russia, so it's showing which place is cold, hot, things like that. And it shows major ports of Russia. Ports mean like the place that boats go, ships. Like we got Baltic Sea, we have Petropavlovsky, and we have the Black Sea, St. Petersburg. But let's see. We need to read this question and see what it's going to say about the map. So first of all, Russia many river block trade to many European countries. You don't see no river in these maps, so A is not going to be our answer. Scratch that. There's no river, so it's definitely not that. Russia port are the largest in Europe, which makes trading easier. It's not even showing other ports, so no, that would be not correct. It said Russia Euro Mountain are major trade route between European Russia and Asian Russia. Let's see. We know Euro Mountain is on the west side. It's literally right here. It does have literally three different ports. We're going to keep that real quick. Russia access to warm port is limited due to its closest to Arctic Ocean. I mean, some people might say, but there's only one port, so that can't be true, making the answer C. Answer will be C. Russia Euro Mountain are major trade route. And this is also, you should know by reviewing. We talked about how Euro Mountain is where most people live because it's warmer, more job, of course. There's minerals and things there. So that's going to be the major trade route when it comes to actually being able to trade across Russia. All right. So that will be it for this unit. Go ahead and watch the Unit 2 video. It's going to deal with culture and languages. Thank you for watching this. And like I said, reviewing will help. Um, I'm proud of you. Thank you for watching again. And watch the Unit 2 now. Appreciate you.